Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today we introduce PPR pipe sizes. PPR pipes are measured by their outer diameter, marked in millimeters. Common PPR pipe sizes include 20mm, 25mm, 32mm, 40mm, and 50mm. Smaller sizes such as 20mm and 25mm are commonly used for residential water supply lines, while larger sizes like 22mm and above are often used for main distribution lines in buildings. Each pipe size corresponds with matching fittings such as elbows, teeth, and couplings. In addition to sizes, PPR pipes are also classified by pressure ratings, such as PN10, PN16, or PN20. PN stands for pressure nominal. The larger the PN number, the higher the pressure rating. In some standards, you may also see markings such as S2.5, S3.2, or S4. This S value refers to the pipe series and are related to wall thickness. A smaller S number usually means a thicker pipe wall and a higher pressure resistance. Ctube provides high-quality PPR pipes and fittings designed for reliable pumping installation requirements. Thanks for watching. If you have project requirements, feel free to contact us.